Hey, how you guys doing? For this week, we're going to take a look at another knife. This is my third knife. I may link to the two other knives that I've done. Now, this goes along with Kershaw's line of budget knives. This is about $35, and it uses good steel, and I believe it's an excellent EDC knife for everyday carry. So we're going to take a look at it now. How you doing, guys? First thing we're going to check out on this Kershaw Tone folding knife is the type of handle it uses, which is actually G10, which are actually pretty high quality grips, similar to what they use on G10 grip firearms for great. They make great handles and grips. Another thing you notice is the pocket clip. I believe all EDC knives should have a pocket clip. This one's no exception. And this one runs about 2/3 of the blade. What I like about this pocket clip is these 3 screws can be removed and moved to the other side. As you can see, there are 3 holes here as well, so you can put it on the other side. So depending on what position you want to carry the blade in. Also notice below that one you have a hole that goes straight through the blade onto the other side, which you can put some kind of lanyard, paracord, which you can attach to a D-ring perhaps. So another way to carry the knife without necessarily using the pocket clip. You can open this knife in one of 2 ways. And the first way is a steel post that runs through the blade onto the other side, depending if you're right or left-handed. But I find it very hard to use the thumb to open the blade with. And I believe if they move the post down further, you might have enough leverage to open it up easy. But really, this knife, I think, is really meant to be opened using this flipper portion that's extended from the blade. This is a spring assist knife that it helps you open it up with one hand. The spring, once you go to a certain point, obviously makes it much quicker and faster to open the blade, just like that. And this blade is actually a Tanto style, similar to what you see on Japanese swords. It is coated in black oxide, which is non-reflective, because this is really made kind of like a tactical looking knife. Now I think this would still make an excellent utility knife in cutting things, rope and so forth. And I guess the blade, I didn't really check on the blade length. I think it's around 3 to 3.5 inches. And it uses actually pretty good quality steel, which is 8CR, I think 13 MOV. I'm reading the blade upside down just to read that. Don't know necessarily about the quality difference. Steel knives, I guess, quality. But I heard this is pretty good, especially for a budget Chinese knife made by Kershaw. It's actually quite nice in the quality. Another thing I noticed is the side-to-side play, and the knife is very tight, so you don't that's kind of a way to test the quality of the knife, is there's no side-to-side play whatsoever. The lock is actually quite positive, and of course the lock is on the inside, which you can use one-handed to unlock using your thumb. So all in all, I really like this knife, and when I seen it, I knew this is one of the knives I want to use for my everyday carry EDC, along with some other things. So go check it out. This is the Kershaw Tone. This is around $34, or you might be able to find it a little bit less. I know they sell them in Academy Sporting Goods, which where I got mine, or you could probably buy it online from places like Academy. So thanks for watching, and see you guys later.